Today on Duck and Jew, we are making the best broccoli salad. I don't know what to call it. It has bacon, it has onion, it has cashews, it has currants. I almost said bacon again because that's how good it is, and broccoli. And we're gonna show you how to make it.
This is a DAC original, it should be noted.
A lot of people have had this salad before. I've seen it called like a sunshine broccoli salad.
Really?
Maybe that was just the co-op.
I've literally never seen this before except for on your table.
Really?
Yeah.
People make this, but my stamp on it is I use a little bit less sugar because gross, and I use cashews. Anyway, first things first, you want about a half pound of bacon.
I want that now.
Same. So then this is just gonna go into the oven. You don't need to preheat it, but we're gonna set it to 400 now. Actually, if you don't preheat it, it helps render the fat. So there you go, easy.
It really is the easiest way to make bacon. Like I do this even.
Make bacon, bake bacon.
Bake bacon. To bacon. I do this at home even when I'm just making bacon for breakfast.
Same. No one wants to stand over a stove when it's splitter splattering.
Definitely not. While Dakota is cutting up the broccoli, I am cutting up about half a cup of this red onion into a fine dice.
You can also use shallot. You could also use green onion. You could also use white onion. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure there's onion in there.
So I am making the dressing now. So I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of mayo into a big mixing bowl. Yeah, Daddy. You'll remember that I'm not the biggest mayo fan.
Yeah, I said 3/4 cup of mayo, and she was like, "That's a lot of mayo." I think this is 6 cups.
No.
Really? Holy shit.
Let's pretend.
Okay.
1.
This is like that count the M&Ms game.
All right, while Dakota is still chopping her life away, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar.
You could also use white wine vinegar or red wine vinegar. You could use lemon juice.
What you have on hand.
Yeah. Battery acid.
Cat pee.
Too far. Too far!
And then about a teaspoon of salt. All right, and then 3 tablespoons of sugar.
So we have 3/4 of a cup of raw cashews, and we just need to toast them. So you could also buy cashews that are already toasted, but if not, then make sure to toast them up. And that just means putting them on low to medium heat until they're nice and toasted.
They'll smell fragrant. They'll start to get kind of golden.
Yeah.
Or toasty. You know, same.
So at this point, we can add in our half a cup of chopped red onion and a half a cup of dried currants. You can also use golden raisins, regular raisins. I just like currants because they're smaller. So one of the things about this recipe is because it is raw broccoli, you kind of want to let it marinate in the mayo bath.
Ugh. That's my worst nightmare.
A mayo bath?
Oh.
So our cashews are toasty, and we're just going to throw them in with the broccoli.
Whole.
Yeah.
Yum.
It's kind of nice for the texture, and they do get a little soggy, but almost in a good way.
Oh,
And they just add this really nutty, toothsome addition. You could also use toasted almonds. You could use sunflower seeds.
Pecans.
All right, so
Yum.
bake the, oh, dang it. Baked it a little bit longer than I normally would. This is not your Sunday bacon.
I'm a floppy bacon kind of person, and this is not it.
Right, but you want it to be a little bit crispier.
It's like homemade bacon bits.
That's right. Bacon in.
And the bacon obviously adds this really nice salty, savory piece to this almost sweet salad.
If you're vegetarian, just omit it.
Let's go.
I want to make the perfect bite with
Cashew.
a cashew, a piece of bacon, a currant. All right, that is loaded.
Whoa.
All the goods.
I don't want to ruin my bite.
Same.
Okay, cool. Well, what caught me first is how texturally interesting it is. There's just so many things to like enjoy when you're eating it.
There are so many things to enjoy. It's sweet, it's salty, it's crunchy, it's smushy, it's toothsome.
It has a little tang to it, which I also really like. The bacon might be my favorite part.
I mean, who's surprised? It's so good.